What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brian with another episode of the American Auto YouTube channel. If you've been following any of my social medias, you know that we bought a boat. I got it at a very good price, and now I know why. So we found this replacement engine here out of a 96 Ford Ranger. Yes, it's a Ford powered boat. It might sink. Who knows? Anyway, so we've got to strip this engine down, get it down to bare block, so that way we can take the head off of this one and put on there as long as everything's good with it. We got to change the head, the intake, the exhaust, flywheel, bunch of stuff to make it a boat motor. Before we go any further, guys, do me a favor. Go on and comment, like, subscribe, and because you'll get to see everything that happens with this boat. I'm actually keeping this boat. This one is for my family. So welcome to my life. Welcome to my family. And it's going to be fun. So, all right, guys. I'll get y'all switched around here to where you can see what's going on. So guys, I'll keep trying to bring you in and out on this instead of just time-lapse everything. But I've got to pull all this crap off of here to get it ready for the marine stuff. And yeah. And if any of you know about boats, you know it does not require water hoses like this. So we're going to take them off. I think Kyle from Booster Boys is the one that says it, him and Wyatt. If you don't need it, delete it. Well, that's what we're doing. That's exactly what we're doing. And if there's anybody who needs any of this stuff that's coming off of here, hit me up. Because I don't need to keep it. I don't have no use for it. Okay, everybody, we're back on another day. I've done quite a bit of work off camera, which if you follow my channel, you've been catching the shorts as well, I think. And if not, you really should go check them out. But anyway, so where we're at right now is I've already got the boat engine broke down to just about bare block. We're going to pull the oil pan off of it, get ready to pull the cranking pistons and all that. I'll show you the head here in just a second. Really awesome. But so far from what I can tell, internally this motor looks really, really good. Last night we bought a second engine. This one is out of a 89 Ford Ranger, 88, 89, something like that. We got the right VIN number and everything. So we should be in good shape on that. So we will find out when it gets here. Because God knows I ain't putting no more money into this boat. But if you can ever get your hands on one of these, that's another handy tool to have for when you're having to do oil pan bolts and stuff. And it's pretty cool because the handle's adjustable. Get it where you want it. And rock out. but I bought this one a couple years ago. And I've used it on oil pans and stuff like this ever since I got it. All right, let's see what these piston bottoms look like. Oh, that's good. Haha, don't look too bad in there. A little crusty and rough, but not horrible. I've seen worse. Yeah, no metal. Heck yeah. All right, so that part's good. All this is going to end up in parts cleaner later. We're Ford and Afflash, but that's it. Same, same, same. All right. All right, so I'll give you an up close view at this lower end of this motor. Everything looks really good and clean in there. I don't see no broke off fender skirt, or not fender skirts, but piston skirts. Everybody in there looks good. Cool. So, check this out. Let me see if I can get, let me get my caliper here. Quite a bit of size difference from a factory, just regular valves in a car engine, okay? Exhaust ports, kind of wonky looking, but this front one's massive. Of course, I guess that front one and rear one is massive. I guess that's just design, I don't know. These studs here are essential to the boat engine only, and yada, yada, yada. Okay, now the fun. Hang on. Guys, check out this beauty here. It looks a little dingy. I'm not worried about that a bit. I'm going to run additives anyway. But check out these springs and lifters. These things are massive. Again, guys, this is just a little 4-cylinder Ford, a Pinto motor. But check out the rocker arms, guys. Like, this just is not normal for a Ford Ranger or Pinto or anything like that. This is one mean setup. Head casting right there is, I don't know. I'll see if I can get you. The cam casting says 8K3. If anybody wants to look that up and tell me what it means. E7, is that 838? S88? Don't know. There's another number in the middle. I'm not good at reading block numbers either, guys. Does that say 120? There's that 17 on the cam with this up here. So, if anybody knows what that means, tell me. Okay, so the 17 on the cam matches the 17 inside there. So I'm assuming it's something from Ford, that the cam and the head match. I don't know. But if anybody knows what that is, look it up and tell me. I'm going to look it up after I get done with this recording, just to see what it says too. See if I can get any kind of helpful other information on it. Anyway, back over here to the engine. So we're going to save that pan gasket because we can. And I don't know exactly 100% what all I have to do to move this stuff over to the new block that's coming, but y'all will follow along on that. So basically what I'm getting at, guys, is when the new engine comes, y'all will watch the rebuild of this as it goes into the boat. But as of right now, oh, let me show you these pistons on the top side. Hang tight. Okay, guys, check those out. Now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's a higher performance piston in this, but I don't know, maybe somebody can tell me on that too. But I'm gonna try and get them cleaned up a little bit. Hang on. Okay, so number 1 and number 4 both have a number 3 in them. Okay, but 2 and 3 both have a number 4 in them. So I don't know, but guys, we've got valve clearances in the pistons. We've got way bigger collared honeycomb springs. We've got hydraulic lifters, some pretty substantial rocker arms. This is shaping up. I mean, it only called for 130 horsepower on a little 4-cylinder, and I know for the 80s that's a lot. You know, considering a lot for factory. Anyway, just overlook that. It's a single overhead cam inline 4-cylinder. Not a big deal. OMC motor. This is not American Boats. This is American Auto. So we learning all this together. But guys, if any of these numbers make sense to y'all, leave it down in the comments or message me on one of my platforms. I'm American Auto 20 all across the board. So you can find me anywhere. I'm gonna look up and see what I can find, but if anybody finds anything, let me know what it is. You know, let me know what you find out. I might be sitting on a gold mine and don't even know it. That would be really awesome considering how in I am on this boat right now. But anyhow, but that's gonna do it for this one, guys. As quick as the other motor gets here, I'll bring y'all back and we'll get to switching everything over. So but that's gonna do it for this one, guys. We'll catch you in just a day or two. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. All right, thanks for watching this installment of American Auto working on boats. And guys, do something today that's going to better your life for tomorrow. All right, this world we live in, it sucks. Nothing good is going on. You know, I know I'm buying a boat out here away to waste gas, and gas is as expensive as it is. Hey, idea, if I keep it broke down, I don't have to put gas in it. But no, guys, do something today that'll better your tomorrow. Okay, that's the only good advice I've got for you. Treat people nice. Be better people. We can do that.